Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel. Look, if you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and hit that notifications bell so every single time I upload a video you will be notified. My name is Brandy and I am striving to be fit. I'm super excited to share with you this week's weight loss vlog. So let's jump right into it. Hey friends, happy Wednesday. Welcome to this week's weight loss vlog. I'm super excited to share with you what I have been doing lately and give you an update on this week's, well, actually it was last Friday's weigh-in, which, no, I did not share that with you. So be prepared. Do you hear me? Be prepared to be sick of me. How that lady say it on TikTok? I gotta find that video. She is too funny. Be prepared to be sick of me. Y'all, look, as of last Friday, May 20th, I weighed in at 293.2. What? Holla at your girl. I am super excited. Y'all prepared to be sick of me. I'm wearing a two-piece to the beach this summer. Daggone it, I don't care. I ain't wore a two-piece since high school, but I'm gonna wear one this summer, okay? If Lizzo can wear a two-piece, I can wear a two-piece. We are BBWs, big, black, beautiful, or did I say it wrong? Women, period. We beautiful, right? So I'm wearing a two-piece this summer. I don't care. The weight is coming down. The scale is moving slowly, but it's moving, right? So in this week's vlog, I plan on, oh wait, let me back up. So remember you guys, my birthday is June 3rd and I'm trying to make it to 285. So I'm excited to see what this Friday's weight will be. I'm almost there. The countdown to my birthday, we are almost there. I'm praying, and matter of fact, I know I can do it. I can make it to 285, right? So this week's video, weight loss vlog, I tried a new recipe. I did. You know what? I'm open to trying things, but it just wasn't me. I couldn't do it. I'm not a person who has a weak stomach. And sorry for the noise in the background. I have the air on. I'm a little bit more prepared this week. I got my little front windshield visor in here to help, so I can keep the phone on the holder so it won't get too hot. So excuse the air conditioner, it's like 91 degrees out today. But anyway, so I tried to make spaghetti using, well, two new ingredients that I have not used before. So I used pasta zero, right? And 1 cup of pasta zero is 0 points. And then I used no sugar added Prego spaghetti sauce. Half a cup of that is 1 point. And then I made and I might be tearing this name up because I'm horrible at pronouncing things sometimes, Guardian meatless meatballs. They are a plant-based vegan meatballs, which I've had those before, so I can eat those. The Prego sauce, which I will add the clips on so you can come along with me as I made this new dish, was actually good, right? It said no sugar, but it tastes good. I did add some oregano and Italian seasoning in there, some salt and pepper, and the sauce. Now, the pasta zero sauce, I'm gonna be honest with you, I am not a fan. I could not do it, guys. And I will add a picture in here. The dish looked good, but the texture of the noodles, I would rather save my Weight Watchers points for the real pasta and just sacrifice. And one of my on my Weight Watchers app, Weight Watchers has an app which is just like Facebook, but it's Weight Watchers, and one of the ladies says she gets the angel hair, I guess, pasta, so it looks like it's more when she goes to measure it out, which that's a great idea, and I might just do that. But I would rather save my points for the real thing. it was just like rubbery. So how you prepare the pasta zero: when you open up the bag, it has a smell to it, and the package does tell you to make sure you rinse the noodles real good and then saute them in a skillet on the stove top, or you can put them in a microwave to warm up. They are ready to eat out of the package after you rinse them off. So I saw a guy on Instagram, so I chose to put the noodles in the skillet, and you know, a little bit of olive oil. I put some red pepper flakes in there, some salt and pepper, trying to give it some taste, because I was already expecting it to be bland, but I really wasn't expecting the texture to be the way it is. So after I prepared my dish and everything, and I tasted it, I was like, bleh, right? So I said, okay, maybe let me prepare my dish all together with the sauce and the meatballs, and then try it that way first to see how I feel about it. Even with the sauce on it, you guys, I still could not do it. It was just a texture. I just really couldn't get past it. So even though this dish was not a hit, now the sauce and the meatballs are a hit, but the pasta was not. So I'm gonna save the sauce and the meatballs and then just make some regular pasta. But I wanted to share that with you guys, to give you my honest review on pasta zero. You guys have to try it for yourself and see. It's not that much. I got it at Walmart maybe for $2 and some change for the bag. $2 and maybe 30 cents, 50 cents. It was like no more than that for the bag. But it was just a no for me, as Randy would say, right? It's a no for me, dog. So with that being said, let me go ahead and add on the clip so you can see how I prepared this dish, and then maybe if you try it, tell me how you like it. So I hope you like my meal preparation for my dish. Maybe if you guys try it, you guys may like it. Let me know if you try pasta zero, how you feel about it, or maybe if you have a better recipe on how to spice up the noodles, I will still try it, right? So that's it for today's weight loss vlog. Thank you so much for rocking with me each and every single week. So until next time, take care, guys.
I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw.